is Dimitri.
Dimitri is a YouTuber and a professional costume designer. He currently learns Krav Maga, the art of self-defense. And he really likes snails.
I really like snails.
But there's something else. Dimitri is also a LARPer. As Jay riffs, he has survived the apocalypse thanks to his lucky pair of underpants. He keeps his body fit wherever he goes. And he's a noble warrior who absolutely hates outlaws.
Motherfuckers.
Dimitri is one of many LARPers, and you can join the adventure too.
Oh, and one last thing. Why do I have this original Rambone slingshot prototype from the famous YouTuber York Sprava? Well, that's a story for a different day.